Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. I am so glad you're here. Thank you for selecting this video. Welcome if you're new. My name is Jasmine and I really love subscription boxes, but I always like to see what's coming so that way I have an idea if I want to keep the box, get another one, or maybe cancel. Do you guys remember when we just had, it was just one box for Boxycharm? Now it's three sometimes. Well, here are some sneak peeks already for the month of July. I am so excited to share with you guys. Spoilers, guys, for the base box. That's the one that costs $25. And I'm also including some sneak peeks for the premium one. That's the one that costs $35. So let's start with the base one. As you know, choice date was happening this week. Hopefully you was able to make your choice. I did a video that way you guys were able to see how I did it and the item that I was going to choose. I didn't know which one to pick because most of these were not makeup items, that were skincare, and I really wanted to include something that was going to be helpful to my skin routine. So far we know that the July box for the base one is going to be worth up to $245, and one of those items is called the Babe Lash. The Babe Lash is an essential serum, and this is a serum that you could apply every night directly to your lash line on clean, dry skin. And one dip alone is going to be enough serum for both eyes. The purpose of this is to make sure the benefit that you're going to be getting is that this is not only an award-winning Babe Lash Essential Serum that is going to give you the lashes you've been looking for by enhancing the appearance of the length and the volume. So far it looks like a great product, and if this is something I was looking for, I think this would have been perfect. And one thing I noticed, this product went quickly. So now let's go ahead and move on to the other option. That other option is from Clean Skin Club. Anytime I do see the stories or I see them, the staff from Boxycharm opening boxes, they do get products from this brand. So it's good to see it coming into the box as an option. And this is going to be for the base box. So this product is a serum. So like I mentioned, all these are going to be skincare. And this is called the Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and this one retails for $49.95. As you see the ingredients just in the box alone, it tells you that it's going to include watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. So this is going to be a booster, a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts that they come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This is going to be a vitamin C that's going to brighten the complexion for glowing skin, and it's going to protect you against UV damage, and it's also going to help you reduce eventually signs of aging. It also it was going to work well with acne prone skin due to powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that is in the pineapple enzyme and in the green tea extract. So you could actually add this to your moisturizer and or your night cream for a vitamin C boost. You could use it alone as a serum. So far it sounds like such a great product, but like I mentioned on the other video, I have my eyes on another type of vitamin C. So Billy, I was so close of getting this one because it sounds so good, but I have done my research on the one that I want to purchase and I had to skip this product. But believe me, I really wanted to get this product. So now let's talk about the other serum. The other serum is very similar, but it's not vitamin C. And it is from one that we have seen in the past as a survey on the Facebook. It was shown to see what we think, and we had the opportunity to vote. And I believe this was one of those choices. And this is from that brand 3 Skin. This product is called NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. This is going to provide a multifaceted complexion defense. And this is going to be the essential booster that is going to utilize the power of protective peptides and antioxidants to shield the skin and safeguard against damage caused by free radicals. This is going to be a must-have for skin that is exposed to harsh urban environments and also long periods of time in front of a screen. That is all me. And in front of the screen, it maintains a healthy fortified complexion. So the benefit of this is going to help defend against accelerated aging caused by screen light and it's going to form a protective barrier to shield against air pollution. So another great product, another great serum. I really like anything that's going to help fight the free radicals, which is something that we can really prevent just for being stressed, just from being exposed to even the UV and pollution. You're automatically getting that free radicals, and a great way to fight that off is through antioxidants, and this is something key, and this is the reason why I chose this one. I don't have that booster like it's going to include like to help fight the free radicals. So this is the one that I chose, and these are the items we have so far for the base box. So now let's go ahead and move to the premium box. And the premium one, not only we have the choice item, but we have a new sneak peek. So now talking about the premium box, this one, in order for you to get it, you'll need to sign up and activate and join the wait list. Hopefully, I have not seen that there is a wait list, but you will know once that becomes open on the 1st. That will be on the 1st of July. Also, you need to make sure that you're subscribed to the base box, because you need to have that active in order for you to get the premium box. So if you are already on the wait list, or you are already active member to the premium box, hopefully you was able to make your selection, and that was between 3 face palettes. So you had your choice if you wanted a palette more to be more contour, or you wanted a palette to lead more towards the blush, or a palette that has a little bit of both. I love that we were able to have or choose a face palette of our choice. So between these two, one thing we do know, that the premium box is also going to be worth up to $245. The brands that is going to be included on the first choice or first sneak peek is Kenya Ontiveros Beauty. I have been wanting to get her products for so many years now. I remember seeing reviews about it and the pigmentation. So I'm glad that we're gonna be able to get those products in the base box, at least if you pick that item. So the items that I'm mentioning from her is 2 different palettes, and one of the palettes is called Set and Define Kit, and this kit is including just bronzer tones. So that was one of the palettes. She did mention when I was doing the sneak peek, I did brought this on my Instagram account, I posted about this. She did mention that this is not going to be including the mirror, so just keep that in mind. If you selected this, it's not going to include the mirror. At least in her website, this palette retails for $42, but keep in mind that it does include the mirror, so we don't know what the retail value might be without it. The other product, that one that I'm mentioning, which is the Set and Define Kit, this is going to create a natural looking contour while adding balance, dimension, and light reflection with this kit. And it's going to range between silky powders, blend seamlessly into the skin to define and enhance your features with rich. So that's one of the palettes, and that's if you wanted to choose the one that was contour. But then they had the other one that's called Blush and Shine Kit. It also retails $42 in her website, and those are tones with just blush, and they're so warm and so pretty. So you was able to choose between those 2 palettes, but that wasn't the only choice we had. We also had a new choice as well, and this one is called it's Brow Bar by Rima. This is the palette is called Hollywood Icon Face Kit, and I did see in different options for the face kit, and this one is called Drama Queen. So I'm not sure if this is the exact one, if it's gonna be the Drama Queen, but it is so pretty. I'm not sure if it's gonna come with a mirror, but it has so many nice shades. I can't tell from the image, but it has so many warm tones as well, and it does complete one palette. But remember, these are face kit palette. So now let's move on to the second sneak peek. The second sneak peek, every charmer that is subscribed to the premium box is going to be getting this item, and this is from Murphy collab with Manny MUA, and this is called a Glam Palette. Remember, we're getting a face palette as a choice. This one is going to be an eyeshadow palette, well, mostly eyeshadow palette, and it's called Glam Palette. This one retails for $20 actually in the website, and this palette it's gonna have it pairs up with 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer. Finish it with two stunning highlighters. So you're gonna get also the finish is gonna be matte and shimmer, but it's also gonna include two highlighters. So it's almost another great palette that it comes with highlighters, which is something that it's always good to layer up and see how it looks on your skin, especially in just one palette alone. So guys, this complete this video. I am so excited to share. We have so many great products already coming for both of the boxes for the month of July. I want to give you quick information, and throughout this video you're going to be able to see it yourself. I have a giveaway going. It ends at the ending June this month, and you're gonna see that there's gonna be two winners. So the giveaway, you're gonna be able to see box A and box B, and then on this part of the video you're gonna be seeing everything that's included in box A and then in box B. All the information is below. There's gonna be a link that's gonna take you to my website, and right there you could just go ahead and follow the instructions. So guys, don't miss out on that giveaway that is happening, and like I said, it's gonna be two winners. So thank you guys for watching this video, for your support. I hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and until the next video, bye.